Hello friends, this video sets part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, you should have watched sets part 1 to part 7. A very crucial topic called open and close interval. Please pay attention here. So let A and B be a real number where A is less than B. Now, when you say open interval, you say any number which is between A and B. So when you say A and B, any number between A and B. And please note here the endpoints. In this case, the endpoints are A and B itself. They are not included in open interval. Open interval is denoted by A comma B, normal bracket. And in this case, endpoints, that is A and B, are not included. Any number between A and B. So for example, when you say a number line is here, B is here because A is less than B. So any number that is starting from this point to this point, not including A and B. A and B is not included. This is open interval. A and B is not there. So let's suppose A is 5 and B is 7. Then you can say the number starts from 5.0001 but not 5. It can start from 5.001 to 6.99999, but it should not include 7 and it should not include 5. So this is an example of open interval. In closed interval, for the same case, when you say A and B, similar case, I'll draw one more figure here, right? This is A and this is B. So here A, B are included and endpoints are included. That's why you see X is greater than equal to A and less than equal to B. So here, for example, A is 5 and B is 7, then 5 and 7 are also a member of this set. 5, 5.001, 5.02, everything is there. So 5 and 7 are also included. So this is closed interval and this is open interval. In open interval, the endpoints are not included. In closed interval, the endpoints are included. The interval is nothing but a set of numbers between two endpoints. So here two endpoints are A and B. So when you're talking about open interval, that is all the number between A and B where A and B is not included, that is open interval. When you say closed interval, that means you're talking about all the elements between A and B where A and B are included. Here it should be X instead of Y. So we can also have semi-open and semi-closed interval. I can show you which is open at one end and closed at the other end. For example, this guy, you see, this guy is closed at A, open at B. So you see X is greater than or equal to A but less than B. If you see the difference, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than. So this is a typical example of open interval from A to B, but including A because A is open, A is closed, but excluding B because B is open. So that means one side is open, one side is closed. Similarly, other way around, here A is open, B is closed. This guy is open, this guy is closed. Here this guy is closed, this guy is, and if you notice that here B is included and here A is included. So this is how it is represented. For open, this is open, this dot is blank, there is nothing, it's white, this is white, and for closed, this is closed, this dot is a dark dot or black. So this is the representation of open and closed interval in number line. So when you say both A and B are open, you see both A and B are white. When you see both A and B are closed, both are black. When you see this guy, A is closed and B is open. So for closed it is dark, open it is white. For here when you say A is closed and A is open, B is closed, so A is white and B is black. So now you must be confused. Open interval, closed interval, notations. To help you, we have a memorative. Before going to a memorative, let me reiterate what I have told. Open interval is nothing but an interval where endpoints are not included. So we'll say open is equal to no endpoints. and closed is equal to endpoints. And we can have semi-open, semi-closed. So let's now go to the memory tip. The memory tip, here it is. So let us just learn this 1. This is the first number in the mathematics after 0. Here 1, O stand for open, N stand for not, no, and E stand for endpoints. That means open, no, endpoint. In open case, there is no endpoint. Endpoint is not included in case of open. So obviously for the closed, it will be included. You have to just remember this O-N-E. Open, no, endpoint. Also, when you say open windows, what you get is light. Correct? And when you say closed window, what you get is darkness. That's why when you say open endpoint, you denote like this. It's a light color. But when you see closed endpoints, you denote like this. It's a dark color. This is closed and this is open. It's very easy to remember. When you open windows, you get light. So this guy is light. So actually it should be something like this. And when you close all your windows, you get darkness. So this dot is dark. So if it is dark, that means it is closed. If it is light, it is open. And open has no endpoints. O-N-E, no endpoints. So that means endpoints are not included in open. Also, we have, when we say this means open and this means closed. Here you are confused, right? How to remember this. So when you merge this and this braces, what you get is O. So that means this is for open. But when you merge this braces and this braces, what you get is a closed box. Closed box. Right? If you get a closed box. Let me read it once again. Let's remember the number 1, O-N-E. So that means open means no endpoint. Close means endpoint. One doubt is clear. Second, when windows are open, you get light. So when there is open, it is light. When the windows are closed, it is dark. So this is dark. Also, whether by notation this is open or closed, you just need to merge the end braces. If it makes O, it is open. If it creates a closed box like this, it is a closed endpoint. I hope this memory tip will help you remember open and close intervals. Now we'll take some examples where we'll write as intervals. For example, we have x is a real number and x is greater than minus 6 and less than equal to 6. So if you say this is greater than, and here endpoints are not considered. No endpoints, that is open. And here endpoints are considered because less than equal to 6. So it is closed. Correct? So let's, and open means white, closed means black dot. So let's form the number line first. Now we'll say minus 4 to 6. So let's create from here minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me get this much only. Now when I say minus 4 is an open interval, so I'll say minus 4 is an open interval, is open. And when I say 6 is a closed interval, so 6 is a closed interval. I'll darken this. Correct? So whatever you get here between this and this is the answer. So this is the representation of minus 4. X is greater than minus 4 and less than minus 6 in open and closed interval format. Let's take one more example. Here minus 12 to minus 10. So let us form first like this: minus 30, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. Let's form this much only because it covers all our scenario. So here if you see, this is open. Why open? Because endpoints not considered. No endpoints. No endpoints means open. Here also no endpoints. It is open. Open means white. Open means white. So 12 is white and 10 is white. So this is the range I am looking for. Let's take one more example. Here x is greater than or equal to 0. That means endpoints are considered. No endpoints, open. Endpoints, closed. Correct? Here no endpoints, no endpoint means open. Open means white, closed means black. So let's again form a number line here. -1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number line. And now we say 0 is a closed. Closed is a black one. This guy is a black. Make it black. Big black. And 7 is a no endpoints. No endpoint is open. Open is white. 7 is a open one. And now let's draw line. So this is the numeric representation of, this is a representation of x greater than or equal to 0 and less than 7 in the number line. Also, let's take one for example. It says greater than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 4. So endpoints are considered. That means it is closed. No endpoints open, endpoints closed. Here also endpoints closed. Closed is black. This is also black. So now let's take 3, 4. So we'll say 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 3 is what? Closed, black. So it will be black. 4 is black. It's black. Let's draw a line. This is the answer. Here when we say greater than 4, no endpoints. No endpoint is open. O and E, as we see, no endpoints means open, and open is white. Because windows are open, you get light. Greater than 6, endpoints are considered. Endpoints are considered. That means it is closed, so it's black. Similarly, here we have done the same thing. Now let's take an example where we have to write set builder form. For example, we have -3, 0. This is a representation in open and close interval. If you see this, this is like this. The braces are like this. So when you merge this, it becomes O. That means this is example of open interval. And we have this word O N E. So that means open is no endpoint. So here also endpoint is not considered. So that means we are talking about x where x is greater than -3 and less than 0. Please note it is greater than, it is not greater than or equal to. And then if you want to write in the set builder form, we'll say set A x colon x is this. This is the answer. Let's take one more example. So here we see it is like a box. If you two combine these two, so it is closed interval. So in open interval, endpoint is not considered, but in closed interval, endpoint considered. So we'll say x is greater than equal to 6 here and less than equal to 12 here. Correct? That is the range of x. So to convert this into roster form, set builder form, we'll write something like this. X is this. This is the answer. If you want to write the same thing in the roster form, then you'll have to write something like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If x is a real integer, but if x is not an integer, then there will be infinite number of values. For example, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online test, get the best quality study material, study from the best tutor and mentors, and much more.